Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you the Invoices plugin CSV exporting feature. Alright, so let's go to our Invoices project and then go to Invoices, and when we scroll down we see that there is also available in CSV. So we have to just click on it and download it into your downloads folder. So when you open it, there are a couple of options that are up to you. Yeah, the language, encoding, etc. So when you open it, the fields and the columns are a lot. So these that are visible are only part of the available columns. So now we see paid amount, amount due, paid date, discount, etc. However, when you do the scroll to the right, we see that there are other columns as well. For example, subject, created, updated, assignee, and there are more when we continue scrolling to the right. So yeah, these are the last columns. Date custom field. So of course the custom fields are also displayed here. Text custom field, description, and so on. So this is the exporting feature of the Invoices plugin via CSV file. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles of the Invoices plugin. So thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.